Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can watch movies and TV shows for free and legally using your phone, PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to watch movies and TV shows for free and legally, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to this website. So this website is called Plex. So Plex is a legal streaming site or platform where you can watch free movies and shows that are all officially licensed and ad-supported. So this site is 100% safe and legal for you to watch movies. So to go to the official website of Plex, just go and search this. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to their official website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to watch movies on this website, just click the Movies and Shows tab right here. And after that, there you go guys. You will now see many legal and ad-supported movies you can watch, so just find the one that you like and then select it in order to watch. There are a lot of choices to select here guys, and you can also use the search bar to search the title of the movie you want, so this website is very good. And also, you can use the Categories tab to select the category of the movie that you want based on the genre. This way, you can find a list of movies based on your taste or interest. In my case, I will choose the horror genre. And after that, the website will now show you their movie collection based on the genre you selected. As you can see, they showed me their horror movies collection since that's the genre I selected. And once you've found the movie that you like, just go and select it. And then just click the play button, then you will finally be able to watch the movie. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.